In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Supercell ID email here in Brawl Stars. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to change your Supercell ID email, here's how you can do it step by step. Begin by opening up Brawl Stars and tapping the three lines in the top right corner. You're going to see a few different options here. Go ahead and select settings, and then you're going to see an option for Supercell ID in the bottom corner. Go ahead and click on that and tap on your Supercell ID again. Now obviously make sure you're logged in to your Supercell ID first, but after doing so, click on the settings icon up at the very top, and you're going to see a bunch of different things. Go ahead and scroll down and you'll see your email. Just simply select change email and then hit OK. This is going to go ahead and send you a verification email to whatever email is currently connected to your thing. Simply type in that verification code. It's going to be 6 digits. And then it'll prompt you to enter in a new email address where once again, you're going to have to verify that by typing in a 6-digit code that'll be sent to that email address. There'll be one final confirmation at the very end, just stating that your old email will no longer be in use. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great day. Peace.